Welcome back. We're doing a quick video today on a valve cover gasket replacement on a Mazda Protege. All you're going to need is your gasket kit. It comes with the full valve cover gasket with the bolt gaskets. I think there's about 12 maybe. And you'll need maybe some towels, a 10mm ratchet with a deep well, and a pair of pliers. Start by taking off the valve cover cover for 10mm bolts. Or nuts. The reason I'm doing this is because I was getting a misfire because oil was leaking through my valve cover gasket and shorting my spark plug coil, ignition coil. Pop that off. Unplug your coils. Might as well unplug this too. Cam sensor, whatever that is. I think it's your crank sensor, extension, and your compressor something. Oh, something else. Power steering something. It's not important for this. Move it out of the way, whatever. Take your 10mm, remove the coils. I guess you don't really need to do this, but I like doing it because, like, if you pull the cover off, they'll come with it, but whatever. It's better to do it anyways. Don't forget to put your bolts back in place so you don't lose them. Now you might be wondering, why would I replace my valve cover gasket? Well, because it's broken. You know that because it's leaking. That's about it. Oh no, this is not good. I hate this thing. Oh, it worked. Sometimes these separate and it's stupid. Next step. Right here, this thing is your PCV valve, your positive crank ventilation. It sends the air from the bottom of the crank into the top of the engine so it doesn't like blow weird stuff through the pistons. You want to take it out just by popping like that. And right now is a great time is to take it off and check if it works. Shake it, and if it makes a noise like that, it's working. So good thing mine works. Thought it was broken. Next step is to remove your breather hose from your intake, and then you can start unbolting 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, I guess so. 11 bolts. These 4 on the front and back are short, and the 3 in the middle are long. And you'll notice in the gasket kit, there's 3 long. See, this one's broken. That's the problem. Let me try and get it out real quick. Now there is a torque spec and a sequence for this, and I guess most valve covers. It's not the most important thing, but if you want to do things right, you do them right. After this one comes out, you get to experience the magical sight of your cams, which look just so beautiful. Look at them. Oh. And you get a look at the bottom side of your valve cover, which should look a lot like mine. Maybe better, maybe worse. I don't know, but apparently mine was leaking through here and possibly through here, but mostly through here. So good thing I'm replacing it. So let's take a second over to my workshop and examine what the issue may be. You're gonna want a space like this to put your items. You can slowly start taking out your old gasket. Hopefully it's not stuck in there, and it sucks to get it out when it is stuck in there, but you'll just need a pick, such as one of these, to pry them out. But back to this. Might need that pick. Slowly take it out. I should be wearing gloves. Oil is cancerous. So, preliminary idea would be to wear gloves. This is your gasket upside down. This is the hole that I had an issue with, which feels fine to me. Now looking at it right here, over here, looks fine to me. So it was definitely that like tube thingy on the bolt. So give me a second. I'm gonna wash off my hands and I'll be right back. So you're gonna want to put or get resistance RTV silicone gasket maker. You just need a little bit. I just have a little bit at the bottom of this. It's recommended by the manufacturer to place some dabs of it right here, right here, right here, and right here before you put on your valve cover with the new gasket. And also, the step I'm about to take is cleaning off these surfaces to be nice, shiny, and straight, so that when the gasket gets put on, it gets a solid. Look at this, you got little markings on it. 7, 8. So let's take the steps to clean off our mating surfaces. First, I'll take a towel and wipe out the galleys or valleys or areas it goes. Clean up around it too, why not? Nice. You just want to get these real quick. Spray them out, clean them out, make them look shiny and nice. And I'll meet you putting this gasket on. Alright, make sure you got your surfaces clean like I do on all tops and bottoms right here, and then take your RTV and put a little dab on each corner. Fit your new gasket in, line it up. Once you've got the gasket in like this, pop it on top of the engine and start putting your bolts in. Get all your bolts prepared with the new gaskets and install on your valve cover gasket according to torque spec. Thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe, and comment on any questions you have on our videos. Thank you.